Yo, what's up guys? It's Kid Crayon coming to you from my studio again in Bristol. I mean, where else would I be during lockdown? Obviously going to be stuck in here. Didn't bother getting ready like I normally do for these videos. I'm actually wearing my pajamas right now, which is pretty hilarious. Covered in cat hair. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing that 6 fan art challenge again. I had so much fun doing it the last time. I thought, hey, I'm going to have a go and do it again today. This is the last 6 fan arts illustration that I created. I got some crazy, wicked, super awesome, superbly sick, interestingly random suggestions from my Instagram followers, so I wanted to continue with that with this one. Yo, so on my last post I asked for your suggestions, and I'm going to do an all female one because I accidentally did all males for this one. So I thought that might be quite cool to do. Harlequin, awesome, that's a great suggestion. I'm definitely going to do that one. Orphan Black, I haven't actually seen any of Orphan Black, so do it with that. Suki Stackhouse, cool. Bride of Frankenstein, The Bride of Chucky, that's a great suggestion. Probably going to do that one as well. Burrito's head looks like the coronavirus. Oh, there's loads of good ones here. Corpse Bride, Sandy the Squirrel, great. Nurse Joy, is that the nurse from Pokemon? And that's a dude, I think. So that's it for the suggestions. I'm going to do another shout out now, so there might be a few more, but that's plenty for me to be getting on with. So yeah, I'm just doing my research, going to collect a load of reference material, and then I'm going to use that in order to make my scene. And boom, here is my little mood board that I created. I kind of like doing this because it stops me going on the internet looking for material. If I just have this here, I can jump between it as I'm drawing, and yeah, it saves me a lot more time. Keeps me in the flow. This is me just kind of roughing out the shapes. I always start kind of quick and loose, and then I just build up on top of that. This is me making it way more fine honed, looking at the reference material, and yeah, getting my poses so they're correct. This isn't actually my last pass, but it's pretty much my last pass, and then I'm just going to go straight over the top of this one and even keep little elements from here that are perfect, like this face. I'm not going to have to change that face, but little bits that I still kept a bit rough, like the legs, I'm going to have to redo those. Yo, what's up? It was another late night working on this. I've done all the inking now, so I pretty much just have to do the colouring, which is the easiest bit for me. It shouldn't take too long. I'm a little bit more dapper today. I'm not in my PJs no more because I did a little Tesco run. Haven't left the house in a few days, so got some supplies. Everything's stocked up again. You've got all the toilet paper you need, all the pasta you need, and I've got those bargain Easter eggs because, you know, a couple of days ago was Easter, so £1 for the Easter egg with the mug. Freaking awesome. So stocked up on chocolate. But yeah, let's crack on with the drawing. Enough about me and my chocolate addiction. This is always my favourite part because it means I'm coming to the end. I find the colouring like way easier than working out the poses, and yeah, now I can just do a Rubik's Cube while I'm colouring. It's that easy. This is great because I don't have to think too much. Just kind of go with the colours of the character anyway, tweak it, and yeah, just relax and enjoy the process of making something. This was a sick challenge created by Macapriclionia. This was a sick challenge created by Macapriclionia. I've seen a bunch of artists doing this challenge, and I highly recommend giving it a go if you haven't already. Anyway, let's check out this final illustration that I've been working on. The whole time I was working on this illustration, I was just thinking, like, who would win in a fight between all of these like badass ladies if there was like a battle royale? I think Rapunzel might win because I know she's pretty badass with a frying pan. But yeah, let me know in the comments below who you think would win this fight, and yeah, maybe we can argue it out until we decide who's the best. Also, if you've done the 6 fan art challenge as well, hit me up with your Instagram handle because I'd be super keen to check out your attempt at this challenge. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in once again. If you like this video, then why not check out some of my other challenges, like this, the Squirrel Box challenge. Or you could check out this, me trying to paint a restaurant in 24 hours. You can also subscribe or hit that bell. Thanks again guys, catch you in a bit.